G'day pocket watchers, we are here at the old shop. Look at that old handle. Isn't that beautiful? Bit of style and class in that. It's got it's unlocked. Entering the premises. It's all a bit broken. Ah yes. The old handle to that lock. Looks old, but it could be modern. Okay, this used to be a ski place. How the floors have been ripped up. We've got a nice arch window there. Now I stuck my head through that hole in the roller door. I can't get in that. That was useless. Just try the front door, people. But there is a cellar down there that we will have a bo peep at. Okay, down we go into the footings. Another nice archway, beautiful high ceilings. Right. This is the side room. The display window. That's where we're going. Old door closer. So it's like a bay window. It's got some nice deadbolts, top and bottom. The latch, pad bolt down there. How's that for an old closer? Look at that. Should give us some date on this place, surely. Anyone knows the date of those, when they were about? That'd be good to know. Alright, we might go over this way. So that's where we came in. Like an old alarm system case. Wow, this is a big place. Into the back room. Some more modern 001 deadlatch. Deadlock from a Lockwood. The old style windows that's had so many different types of bars on it. Oh, fireplace. Let's have a bo peep as we always do up there. Change rooms this way. Oh, the men's change room. Okay, looks like that. Taking this wall out, we're going to the staff restricted area. We've got nice cornice on the ceiling here. Cornice work, what do you call it? Plaster work, that's the word for it. So this is a check pattern with a nice ceiling rise that you can barely make out. with the roses in the middle at each intersection. I've got the old light switches. They're the old Baker light and the power switch. That's a power switch. That's a modern board. Through here we've got racks, we've got some lanyards up there. Continuing with the nice high ceilings. Someone's tried to stop the drip by sticking a lid of a container up there. So no decorative ceiling rose, but we do have the checker work with the rose at the intersecting points. This is what they used to charge. Looks like it may have become an op shop at some stage. The old window, the old sash window. Okay. In this section, you've got the higher skirting boards. And these are the old brass ones. So this is a more older section of the, it's more the house section. It's the brass little knob with the bronze. And then this one's the Baker light for the power board. Ceiling has the decorative rose points all along it. Bit of drippage there. Back door. They've textured it any way they can. That's a Lockwood deadbolt. And we've got had lino over boards. This is a tiny room. Very nice. Continuing with the rose points on the checkered ceilings. Oh, the one with the door. It's the old door with the chamfer. Need a bit of board for the wall there. See a bit of how it was constructed there. What do we have over here behind here? Just, it's the masonite. Okay, it was masonite covering the floorboards. That's interesting. And there's more masonite here. The walls, it's all mouldy and paint's holding it on. More, it's like some sort of filing cabinet shelving holding the windows closed. Alright. Let's have a closer look and let's go down to that cellar, shall we? Shall we risk it? Yeah, let's do it. Alright, I'll put you on pause while I navigate over this. Hang in there. This is cool. This is the step into the next section. You can see the timber. Look at how it's worn. See how it was constructed. You've got your brickwork, you've got your footings, slab of cement, and then in bed the stoop. Alright, let's continue on. Must have had some beams in here at some stage. We've got these big slabs of concrete footing areas that are just like that. And we've got this gorgeous ceiling roses all the way along the centre. Check this out. How nice is that? Okay, looks like we've got a old style power stuff going on here. They will run those leads under the floorboards. Look at these. The start with the stop buttons, the stop buttons, start buttons. Shut off. Maybe that's gas. And then you got the modern stuff up there. Right, oh, we've got a lock on the back door. Skis for that. It's an old 234 Lockwood. Very nice. There's that arch window we spotted from the front. Okay, that's the cellar. Looks like it's filled up with all the debris. It's down here. It's got everything in it. It's going to dangle you by the legs. Have a bo peek yourselves. Let me know what you find. Anything interesting? Don't know. Got a size chart there. Alright, Papa Watchers, that's it for this explore. That was pretty awesome. Didn't expect to find theirs. Thanks for watching. Do the like, subscribe, share stuff if you're so inclined. Appreciate it. Take care, everyone. Until next time, stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.